Hello and welcome to Wordpress tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to import products into WooCommerce website. For example, this is my WooCommerce website and I have 33 products already added, which are LED TVs. And here I have a CSV with some more LED TV models, and here are the SKUs, titles, categories, short description, image URL description, and price. We also have this original URL. These products are originally scrapped from flipkart.com. If you want to see how you can scrap data from Flipkart, then just watch my video, which is available on scrapanywebsitedata.com, and there click on popular scrapper and go to Flipkart scrapper. So here is how you can get the Flipkart product. Just download this Chrome extension and watch this video and you will learn how you can do this. Okay, so here is our CSV already downloaded, and I have opened it with Google Sheets, which is the best tool. I think Excel have some issues. You need a license, or you must install at least Excel on your PC. So Google Sheets is free and you can do whatever you want as compared to Excel. Okay, now let's go to WooCommerce and click on import, and it's on products page. For example, if you are on a dashboard, already on a dashboard, then you must go to products, all products, and then click on this import button, and now you need to upload this CSV. So come to Google Sheets, and when you open this CSV, just click on file, download, and click on comma separated values, which is CSV, and let's save this in our downloads and open the import products page on WooCommerce and add this CSV. Now do not check this existing products because these are all new products. Click on continue. Now the mapping part. In the mapping, these are the column names from our CSV. So SKU goes into WooCommerce's SKU. So these are the WooCommerce fields. As these names are already matched, so it automatically selected SKU. Title goes in name, which is the product name. Categories goes in categories. If this is different, if in the CSV the title is different, you must click here and scroll down to the categories and choose it manually. Short description also selected automatically. Image URL, so you must choose images here. If this column name was images, then this will be selected automatically. Okay, description, okay. Price, regular price, original URL. Okay, tags automatically goes into tags. Original URL, you can save this as the external URL, but this is not an external product, that is why it might not save, but this should be external URL like this. Okay, click on run importer. Let me show you. Currently I have 33 products added, and the category is LED TV. And here, if I start import, let's see how many products it will add. Refresh the products page while it's in progress. Okay, 39, and the category is LED TV. Everything is getting imported because you can see images are already shown. Okay, so refresh it again and see it's 50. And let's see one of these products on the front end. Let's open the product in new tab, and here we are. We have the image, we have the category selected, we have title, price. The price currency is selected by WooCommerce settings, and you can see that my CSV have INR currency while the shop have a dollar sign. So if you go to WooCommerce and settings, then you can easily change the currency to whatever you want. So I will choose INR, which is in my case the actual price and the actual currency. Okay, now if I refresh the product page, it will be 24,999 rupees. And here is the short description which have everything I need, and the description. Also SKU and categories are there. So this was how you can import products from a CSV into your WooCommerce store. I hope you learned something from today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and you will not miss my future videos. Thank you.